it's Bill with Machinery Consultants. We're doing a video today on a pre-owned Thompson hydraulic surface grinder. This Thompson is a model 660, serial number 4C as in Charlie, 514045. This machine at Machinery Consultants happens to be our stock number 4687. It's currently running at 440 volts. It's a column-based machine. It's an American-built Thompson, model 660, with 14 by 48 capacity. Therefore, the cross travel on this machine is 15 3/4 by 55 longitudinal left to right. So it'll stroke 55 inches left to right. The vertical travel on this machine is 12 inches up and down. Now, if I go in and run the spindle all the way up, from the center line of the spindle to the top of the chuck is 16 inches of M-hot. It's currently running a 2-inch by 20-inch wheel. We vary the speeds from slow to fast off of the controller. I'd also like to point out while I'm down here, the Electromagnetic Chuck is an OS Walker standard pull electromagnetic chuck, another high quality American made component, and it has the nutrifier down here. I'm going to go ahead and come off the tripod and stand up a little bit higher, and you can speed up and slow it down. Okay, looking good. So as you can see, Frankie is varying the speeds within off of the controller, off of the speed control knob. Hey, can I steal that bolt back from you? It was on that tripod. Okay, what we're looking at here is a 2-inch by 20-inch wheel. Let's run through some of the features on this machine. Here's a built-in dresser. So again, we have powered all three directions, up and down, left and right, in and out. We have the 14 by 48 electromagnetic chuck. And the actual stroke of the machine is a full 55 inches by 15 3/4 in and out. It's complete with the wheel arbor and the grinding wheel and the guards. The machine runs great. This item came to us from long-time standby storage. I want to try to sneak in here and show you how awesome these ways look. Do you have any sort of a flashlight that we can shine in there? Thank you. All the original flaking. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, nice, bro. So the ways underneath. This is a V-way style machine. Super heavy duty. The main drive motor on this machine happens to be 15 horse. The overall weight is 17,000 pounds. So your maximum height over the table from your center line of your spindle will do a full 16 inches. We're currently doing a test grind on just a small block of stainless. Limited amount of time. We just wanted to show you the machine and how well it runs. All right, go around the back and then we'll conclude. Did I determine what bolt? Did I tell him what voltage it was? It was 440? Okay, the machine's currently wired at 440 volts. Here's the oiler. Here's the rear ways. Here's the stops for the head in and out. Okay. Well, on behalf of Machinery Consultants, if there's any additional photos or questions, we'd be happy to help out on this machine. We're located in Salt Lake City, Utah. Our phone number is 801-531-9500. And our website is www.machineryconsultants.com. So please keep in mind the actual overall condition of this machine is absolutely amazing. Very lightly restored. American-made machine in killer condition. Hard to beat this one. Thanks again. Have a great day.